Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make some sweet teriyaki beef stir fry. And we're gonna have that over some rice. Okay? Alright, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Let's do it. You know, I'm loving these different types of sauces because you can make many different dishes that you may not have made before just by using the different types of sauce. So let me show you this one, okay? Thank you. Okay, so I have a cup of onions cut up. I'm going to add that in. And a yellow pepper cut up. Just my light. I have some olive oil in the frying pan. I'm going to put some more on the top. I'm going to add some black pepper. Some granulated garlic. Okay, I'm going to let this cook for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add some tomatoes. I have a cup here, but I'm only going to use a half a cup. So we're going to use a half a cup of tomatoes. This is the beef that I cut off of 2 T-bone steaks. You know I bought T-bone steaks for under $5 for each one. So this is about $10 worth of beef. And we're going to be adding some pineapples. Okay, I'm going to cover this and I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Thanks. Okay, so our onions and peppers have been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to add half of these tomatoes. So this is a half a cup of tomatoes that we're going to add. A half a cup of canned diced tomatoes. Okay, now we're going to add the beef. We're going to add some more pepper. And some more garlic. Look at the colors. Beautiful. And you know, T-bone steak, you don't have to cook it long. If I cut the beef off the T-bone steak, right? You don't have to cook it long. It's nice and tender already. Now our sauce says it's by Sweet Baby Ray, and it says sweet teriyaki. So the key word here is sweet. So you know it's not going to be bitter or anything like that. And so from that word sweet, it helped me to say, okay, I can add something sweet to it. So that's why I'm going to add the pineapples. Okay, now I'm going to add the pineapples. This is, I want to say, 1/4 of a large pineapple I cut up. Look at that. We might as well put those juices in there. Okay, now I want to add our sweet teriyaki. Okay, we're going to let that come back up to temp. And I'm going to get the rice and I'm going to set the plate up and present it to you. But I'm going to give you the word of the day right now. The word of the day. So you're tired. Push yourself. Mind over manner. If you get up and do it, you'll be surprised what you can accomplish. Push yourself to your goals. Push yourself to your dreams. Push yourself to take care of your children. Push yourself to wash those dishes. Push yourself to cook. Push yourself to move up in this world. You don't have to settle for less. Push yourself up. That's the word of the day. Okay, let me plate up for you. I just want to show you what it's looking like, and now you want to take some sauce and you want to just go over the top so that you see like streaks. Let it fall on the plate and everything. This is your presentation. Look at that. See? It makes you really appreciate what you're doing, huh? You try that. Okay, let me taste. Before I taste, I want to get in the picture. Why not? Alright. So let's see. Okay, I got it all. Some rice and beef, tomato. Mmm. It almost have like a citrus taste. Pineapple. Oh guys, you're gonna like that. You're gonna like it. It doesn't taste like teriyaki like you think. It's a nice taste to it. Nice sweet taste. Okay. Thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Talk to you soon. See you on the next one.